Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes and App Store. So let's get started without wasting any time. If you are trying to download any app from App Store and facing this kind of issue, let me show you guys how can you fix this problem. So first of all, we try to get app again and we check here what is the problem actually. So here you have to give your Apple ID password. So tap on sign in. So as you can see, process has been started. As you can see here is the error. This Apple ID has been yet used in the iTunes and App Store. So how to fix this problem? Go ahead. First of all, tap on review. So as you can see, information is loading. So as you can see, here is the country. So you have to select the country from here first. And here you have to toggle on term and condition. So now tap on next. So as you can see, it's asking for the debit and credit card. If you want to update your payment method, you can add from here. Here is the information column. So if you don't want to add information, you can select none. So here is the first name, last name of my Apple ID. So here you have to put some formalities. So I'm putting as a formality here, give the city name, and here it's asking for the postcode. So you can search your postcode on the Google by your city name. So this is my postal code. So here it's asking for the phone number. You have to type as a formality. If you want to put your own number, you can add here. I'm putting as a formality. So now just tap on next. So as you can see, Apple ID completed. So it means Apple ID has been completed right now. So now just tap on continue. So wait for a few seconds. As you can see, my Apple ID has been completed right now. So now we try to get app again. So here you have to give your Apple ID password. Just tap on sign in. So wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, app is installing right now successfully without the error. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.